Did you know that anyone can add you to a WhatsApp group, even people you do not know? As this can be sometimes annoying, especially when you're added to a group you have no information about. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop anyone adding you to a WhatsApp group. Now this is quite easy to do on WhatsApp. What you want to do is go ahead and open WhatsApp, and once WhatsApp is opened, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see settings. Tap on settings, tap on privacy. Now scroll down to the section where it says group. Tap on group, and here you have several options you can select from. You can select from everyone, my contact, and my contact except. So to stop anyone or everyone from adding you to a WhatsApp group, tap on my contact except. Here at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal line with the check mark. This will select all contacts on your device except those you untick will be able to add you to a group. Now tap on the check mark. That will save changes. Now once you have these settings enabled, when someone tries to create a new group on WhatsApp and tries to add you to the group, and the only way they can add you into the group is to invite you privately. The invitation link is only valid for 3 days. Once an invitation is sent to you on your WhatsApp to join the group, all you need to do is tap on join group and tap on join group. So that is how to stop anyone adding you to a group on WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video on how to stop anyone adding you to a group on WhatsApp. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.